Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business to help educate you on complex legal terms in an easy to understand manner, to help understand why you need to do certain things in your business from a legal point of view, and to help you develop a plan for the future. Our mission at Business Legal Lifecycle is to help empower all small to medium-sized businesses around the world to get access to legal advice so that they can help build their communities and make the world a better place. Did you know that any business owner is on average 7 months away from losing everything? That is the average time it takes from a successful business to fold when an aspect of their business is not set up correctly. Have you ever wanted to get legal advice but didn't understand what was going on? Do you feel like there is a divide between lawyers and their clients? Then this TV show is for you. It is all about empowering you and your business with the knowledge and tools to ensure that this doesn't happen to you. Business Legal Lifecycle TV delivers a twice-weekly show focusing on the legal aspects of your business. At lunchtime on Mondays, we present Fast Fix Monday, a quick 5 to 10 minute show that will give you some actionable steps to consider for the week for your business. And at lunchtime on Wednesdays, we present our in-depth show of between 30 minutes and an hour, where we go through complicated legal aspects of your business in a simple to understand, plain English manner. And whether that is through educational pieces or interviews with experts in their fields.
Afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV. Today is Monday, so it's Fast Fix Monday, and today we're talking about planning versus not planning and the 5 benefits that we see as part of planning rather than not planning. As always, I'm here, Craig Mason, and I have with me Jeremy Stretton. Please say hello to everyone. Jeremy.
Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a great Monday.
Absolutely. All right. So, as I said, we're talking about the 5 benefits of planning and talking about whether or not planning versus non-planning and which one's a better one. I think you probably know the answer to that, but we'll go through the 5 benefits that we've come up with. So, Jeremy, do you want to kick off with the first one?
Thanks, Craig. Yeah, the first one is a business plan is vital to help you get finance. So if you're a startup business or even an existing business and you want to look at getting some sort of finance for your business, whether that be an overdraft, even some credit cards, a line of credit, any sort of credit that you want, or any sort of finance that you want, you're going to need a business plan to show the bank that you know what you're doing and how you're actually going to pay it back. So that's the first one. It's vital to help you get finance. Craig, the second one.
Yeah, so these planning things, it's relevant for a startup business, but it's also relevant for an existing business. They need to do the planning along the way. So a benefit of doing a business plan is that it can help you prioritize. So in your plan, you've got certain things that you need to do along the way. So you can prioritize those tasks, put them in some form of workflow that however you operate, make sure that you're prioritizing your tasks to meet your business plan for the future. So that's the second benefit. Number 3, Jeremy.
Number 3 is a business plan can give you control over your business. And let's face it, we're all in business to get back control of some part of our lives. And whether or not the business actually gets you to do that is an interesting question. But a business plan helps you get that control over your business so that you can control where your work is coming from, where what resources you need, where the money's coming from. It helps you really plan for the future and what you actually need in the business. And that kind of ties into the 4th one, Craig, because it's going to give you control, and the 4th one becomes very critical in doing that as well, doesn't it?
Absolutely. So that is keep it up to date. So don't do a business plan or any form of planning, put it in the bottom drawer. You need to get it out and review it and keep it up to date. As your business grows, different things will happen, et cetera, et cetera. So you need to keep it up to date, and that gives you the control, as Jeremy was talking about, over your business. So it's an ongoing process, planning in a business. That's the 4th one. Last one is something that's pretty common when setting goals and those sorts of things, Jeremy.
Yep, and that's the old KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. You can do a 40-page or a 50-page business plan if you want. And sometimes you might need that for the first point of getting finance. But at the end of the day, who of us actually read those 50, 40-page business plans after that? They are the ones that go and sit in your bottom drawer. We have a one-pager. It's an A3 page, actually it's an A2 page, and it goes up on the wall, and it has all of our business planning goals for the year. So you need to keep it really simple, keep it simple, and keep it up to date. We revisit ours every 4 months, and it goes up on the wall, and we make sure that our projects and our tasks are being done every 4 months. So divide the year up into thirds. But you got to keep it simple. If you don't keep it simple, then you won't keep it going, and you'll let it flounder, and it will sit in that drawer, and it will never be called upon, and you'll lose all of the benefits that we've just talked about of actually putting planning in place.
Absolutely. All right. So they're the 5 benefits that we've come up with in relation to planning. No doubt there's a lot more. If you've got any questions or anything you wanted to add to today's show, please get in contact with us through the website, via email, Facebook, or wherever else you might be watching or listening to today's show. We'll be back again on Wednesday this week, where we'll be having one of our interview shows where we'll have someone on the show. And there'll be a question about a number of things to add value to our listeners and our viewers. So hopefully you can join us again on Wednesday. Jeremy, I think that's it, unless you've got anything else to add.
I need to add to, if you want the show notes from today, businesslegallifecycle.com.au/139. Thanks, everyone. We'll see you on Wednesday.
Okay, bye.